Best electric food steamer. Steaming is a moist heating cooking method that cooks food by surrounding it with hot vapor in an enclosed environment. It is a particularly healthy and effective cooking technique since no cooking oil or other fat is added to the food. Many foods including meat, poultry, fish and vegetables can be prepared with the cooking technique. We have compiled a variety of food steamers to meet your need. Here's our list of best food steamers. Number 1. Cuisinart Digital Glass Steamer. Consumers looking for a healthy way to cook will love Cuisinart's new Cook Fresh Digital Glass Steamer. The powerful steaming system delivers steaming from the top down, surrounding food to cook quickly and evenly. The 5-liter glass cooking pot is large enough for a family-sized portion of vegetables, fish, chicken, rice and more. And the steamer's 1-liter water tank conveniently lifts off the film. Number 2. Instant Pot Duo 7-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. Instant Pot is a smarter electric pressure cooker designed by Canadian aiming to be safe, convenient and dependable. It's up cooking by 2 to 6 times using up to 70% less energy and above all, produces nutritious healthy food in a convenient and consistent fashion. Instant Pot Duo is a 7-in-1 programmable cooker as it has a function of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, saute, yogurt maker and warmer. 14 built-in smart programs cook your favorite dishes with the press of a button. Number 3. Hamilton Beach 3753OA Digital Food Steamer. Make mealtime more exciting and nutritious with the Hamilton Beach Digital Steamer. Place the transparent bowls of the choice of vegetables, seafood, chicken atop the base and set the cooking timer. When done, the steamer dips and switches to warm. The convenient 2-tier food steamer allows you to separately cook small quantities of food and whole meals. Number 4. Handmade Bamboo Steamer. This handmade steamer is the most eco-friendly and healthiest option on this list. Steaming is more gentle process than simmering, frying, boiling or poaching. It helps preserve minerals and vitamins while keeping the food's color, shape, flavor and texture. There is also need not to use any oil or fat when cooking with the bamboo steamer. Fantastic for Christmas gifts pack. Number 5. Duo Meal Station Food Maker. The Duo Meal Station makes up to 9 cups of food and up to 25 meals. The appliances comes with 2 steamer baskets and a programmable blender with 3 speed settings. It combines 6 appliances in one and can not only cook but also blend, defrost, warm and sterilize. Makes preparing nutrition and vitamins rich food simple and easy. 10 programmable settings and audible alert when done, making cooking easy. To buy product from Amazon, please click on the link at the description. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.